Let me get right here. Alright. I'm gonna quickly go downstairs and quickly grab the ladder really quick. Okay, let me check for the ladder. Okay. Oh, the what's called thing. I got the yeah. Under construction. Alright. Got that done. Now it's time to put up these signs. Just so people know. Construction site. Oh, ahead. Anything else? Okay, I'll go work. Yeah, I got the screws up there. This should work. Alright. Yeah, I need you to come fix the power cables later. But first off, I need to screw them. Alright. This is very dangerous, but hey, can I get the power cable lines? Are you joking? Fine. I have to go get them myself. Not as if anybody could just come and can't y'all help me? Yeah, I'm gonna go fix the power cables. Can't anybody like help me? I need help up there. Yeah, no kidding, I'm like an electrician. Gosh, sometimes I just wonder what's going on inside of y'all heads. Yeah, I'll go set up some cameras up there. But I still need the wiring system and stuff. Michael, you got the wiring system? None? Dang. Shucks. Let me check over here. So this point right now here. This is none. You're joking with me right now. I think we left it. Let me just check one more time. I think we left it back at the yeah. Let me check in here. There's nothing. Absolutely nothing. Yeah, we'll just have to do the wiring system another day. Yeah, but as I said, let me quickly go put this up. These are heavy. Dang, I have to go up all these stairs. Oh, yeah. Oh, snap. Are you joking? I'm supposed to place them down here. Alrighty. Yeah, let me go dig the hole for the thing right here. Right for the little lake. They want it beautiful. Hey, be careful right there. Careful. Just to make sure we have no crash pads. Just so you know. Yeah, I'm gonna go fix up some of the brick systems up there. Don't need to wish me luck. I already have my luck. It's Jesus. No, I'm gonna make it right now. Jesus is my luck. Yeah. Alrighty. Where's the drill? I just had the drill. Where did I put it? Where did I put the drill? I just had the drill on me right now. No, it was right here. Yeah, I think I just dropped it inside of here. Where could it have gone? Where's my drill? Oh, found it. I found it, yeah. Alrighty. Alright, upstairs I'm going. Get upstairs. Let me check the cameras. Alright, camera's good. Yo, boss, do you still want me to fix the blockage? I mean, you still want me to make the wall up here? Just like right around here, you said? Where I am? Where, oh, right here? Wait, where? Alrighty, thanks. Alright. Alrighty, now let me drill them in. Whoa! Careful down there! This is not sturdy yet! Chill out! It's not sturdy. Oh snap. Yo, boss. The like a little earthquake up here, so oil spill. We got oil spill. Yo, calling everybody. We have an oil spill. Oh my gosh. Back it up. Let's go. Back it up. Back up. Taking the truck out. Let's go. Back it up. I'll call 911. I got the everyone. I got 911. I'll call 911. Oh my gosh. That just boy. Irritates me. I just told you I'm calling 911. Oh my gosh. Help. Yes, I am a... This stupid. I'm declining. They're calling. Let me call 911. Right now, this is just crazy. Cause by the time, holy, the power cables, yo, is it not out? I can't go in. It's spilling quick. Boss, let's go. Spill. Let's go. I didn't call 911. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh no. I'm calling one again. Hello? Yes, please send the fire department. Please send the fire department to the construction site, please. Yes, there is a gas spill. Please. Yes, we are by the what's that? Yes, skating park. And by the beach. Yep, we're making a resort for the beach. We were making a resort when one of my co-workers was taking something heavy up the stairs. Yes, when are you guys gonna be here? Help! Help! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! It's on fire! No, like the thing is burning down. It's burning down to the ground. Where's the fire department? 20 minutes! Where's the nearest fire department? 20 minutes away and on a call. So that makes it 25 minutes. We can't wait that long. Is there no other person who can come and help us? Please, are you coming or not? Please, are you coming? Hey, wait, I hear someone. Someone is inside the building. Someone is in the building. Oh, no. Where's our extra helicopter? Where is it? It's not even going to do anything. The fire department can't get here fast enough. I've never seen a fire department so far away. I mean, it does make sense. We are all up here in the beach, but oh my gosh. Oh Lord. Lord, please help us. Oh Lord. Oh no. That thing's collapsing. I gotta go. That thing's collapsing, guys. It's gonna create a 30-block radius hit. Yo, get vans, get everything out. I don't care about all of our equipment tools. Let's go. We need to move now. This is crazy. Oh no. So guys, and yes, hope you guys did like the video. I know it was kind of cringe, but hey, it was pretty funny at the end. Alright, yes, it was fun to make. Hope you guys can like and subscribe, and hope you guys do like, you know, share me with other people, I'm guessing. Yeah, comment down how you think, what happened to the fire department. I'm kidding. This one thing that they really need to add to a lot of games is being able to and I might, you know, guys, I know I tell you guys, but I'm gonna make my own game soon. But like until then, obviously. But some games need to add like what's called an NPC fire department, NPC police department, NPC ambulance medic team, like just some teams that Like when you call them, they'll arrive on scene, and then you can assess the situation and stuff. Like just something like that. Cause like at the end of the video, it was supposed to like collapse. Oh, it did collapse. Obviously, you guys saw it collapse. But I mean, I don't even know. Just like and subscribe. Check out all my other videos. I do post every other. Well, I do try to post every day. But yeah. Peace out, bruh.